Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer bacon wrapped pineapple chicken bites. Let's begin. We're going to get the marinade ready first. We'll need half a cup of teriyaki sauce. There you go, that's half a cup of teriyaki sauce. We're going to pour it into this bowl. We have here a can of pineapple slices. And let's open it up. We'll need half a cup of pineapple juice. There you go, that's half a cup. We're going to pour this in. We're going to put this in the fridge and save it for later. Next, we'll need 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1, 2. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Half teaspoon of white pepper. Stir everything all up. Okay, everything is mixed in nice and well. We're going to put that to the side, and now let's cut up the white chicken breast meat. We have here 2 white chicken breast meat, and it's around 1.5 pounds. Since the tip of the white chicken breast meat is thinner, we're just going to cut off the tips, and that could be a piece. There you go, that's 1 piece. Then we're going to split it in half. Same thing with this one. And then we're going to cut it into small chunks. We're going to put in the marinade. Next, we're going to mix it all up. Looking good. Make sure it's fully submerged. We're going to cover it up with saran wrap. And we're going to put this in the fridge for 2 hours, and we'll be back. Okay, the chicken has been marinating for 2 hours. We're going to remove the saran wrap. We're going to put this to the side for right now. We took the pineapple slices out of the fridge. We're going to be using pineapple slices because they're perfect thickness. We're just going to cut it in the center and then cut it one more time. Just like that. There we go. We have here some Oscar Mayer bacon, and now let's open it up. Take another bacon, 1 pineapple, 1 piece of chicken, roll it up. And stick a toothpick through it. Just like that. 1 chicken, 1 pineapple. Roll it up. And stick a toothpick through it. And now let's finish up the rest real quick. Okay, we bacon wrapped all the pineapple and chicken. We'll later need some honey. We're just gonna pour some out. There we go. we're going to put the honey to the side for right now, and let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button, and we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer is fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put it in. Make sure that the bacon is facing up. When you make the second batch, make sure you clean all the oil out of the air fryer. There we go. Okay, let's put it in. We're going to put it to 400 degrees for a total time of 16 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 8 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's brush some honey and flip it over. I'm going to take some honey and brush it on top. There we go. And now let's flip it over. There we go. We flipped them all over. Like I said, make sure that the bacon is facing up. And just apply a little bit more honey. There we go. Okay, we flipped it all over and added honey. And now let's put it back in for the last 8 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 16 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking good. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer, bacon wrap, pineapple chicken. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.